welcome to Cook to Nourish. Today I'm going to show you how to make a detox juice using beets. Now, what is detox and why do you need to do it? Right? It seems like the buzzword detox, but what is it? And do we need to do it, and why do we need to do it? So detox is nothing but it means that you are trying to detoxify your body, meaning a lot of the toxins that you inhale from the environment, like chemicals and things that are, there is from smoke, vapors, and chemical vapors that are there outside, that externally that you inhale, chemicals that are there in your cosmetics, personal care products, and even foods, right? That if your diet is not 100% clean diet, then you will be ingesting some of those chemicals. Then the other thing is even certain foods, again, if you're not following a clean diet 100% of the time, if you are eating hydrogenated fats and vegetable oils and vegetable oil based foods, then what happens is over time your liver gets clogged up, because those are fats that actually end up forming kind of mass inside your liver, and they are actually preventing the liver from carrying out its function, which is to detox, right? So what we are doing by detox in the natural world means that you are actually giving the body nutrients that will help the body support, or that will help support the body's natural detoxification system, which are the liver and the kidneys, right? So beet juice is excellent because beets has a lot of the nutrients that are needed in the liver when liver is trying to detoxify. So inside the liver there are a series of phase 1 and phase 2 chemical reactions, right? Conjugation reactions that need to take place and that's how it systematically gets rid of toxins. So so what we are doing here is we are just going to support the body's natural process by giving it foods that will help it carry out that process. That's all. So this beet juice is excellent. It has beets, celery, and ginger as the main ingredient that will help in the detoxification. I'm adding a little bit of apple to it because it gives it a very... Another important part or point that I almost forgot is why the detox helps again overall is when you're eating a healthy diet, you also eat a lot of good fats, right? And that good fats, for it to be efficiently metabolized by the liver needs to be working at an optimal state. And that's how detoxing the liver periodically helps, so that you are able to, the liver is able to digest all the good fats that you're providing the body with. All right, so let's see how to make this beetroot detox juice. So here I'm using half of a small beet, I've peeled it, and half of an apple, and then 2 celery stalks. I also have a small piece of fresh ginger. Now I'm using the apple with the skin on because I have organic apple. I'm using organic apple, so I'm using the skin here as well. So what I do is I use my blender to blend all these together, and then I use my nut milk bag to strain the juice out to get the juice. Now if you have a juicer, then you don't need to do those steps, and you can just juice using these vegetables, but you may need to kind of double or triple the recipe because the juicer needs like more vegetables for it to be able to juice efficiently. So that's another reason I prefer this method in the blender and nut milk bag. So I'm added all those vegetables and blended using 1/4 cup of water. And now that's my nut milk bag, and now all that blended mixture, right? I made sure that I blended it to a fine mixture, and then I'm just dumping that blended mixture, the bright red color uh, mixture, onto the nut milk bag. I will place a link in the bottom or in the description box for this nut milk bag if you want to buy that. But I really like this. It's from Ellie's Best, and so all you need to do is then just kind of strain it, the bag, using your hands. Just kind of um, squeeze the, all the juice out. Uh, and it cleans very well, this bag. So even with this bright red juice, I can just clean it using a little bit of hand washing soap and warm water, and it's clean like in 2 minutes. So I really find this very, very useful, this bag, and I use it for everything from nut milks to juice to coconut milk, things like that. So there you go, that's it. This juice is ready. And as I said, this is about like, you know, about a cup, like maybe about three-fourths of a cup or something like that. So how often do you take it? Take it, like I would say, about 3 to 4 days in a month, and periodic intervals to it. Best thing to take it is, first thing in the morning. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also visit cooktonourish.com for more recipes.